What's good, people? I have free gold and free money with the CarX Street hack, which I will show you how we can get just within a few simple steps. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and just sit back, relax, and let me guide you through the full process itself. So let us load up on CarX Street, of course, guys, to see if we will get the free gold and free money with the CarX Street hack. So now let us load up nice and well, just like that. And you know, guys, that if this works, that I'm about to show you the full process on how we can get those free money and free gold in CarX Street Mobile with the CarX Street Mobile hack, guys. So without further ado, make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, open up any browser, but search for appspatch.com. On there, guys, what you will find are a lot of games, rather said, but we're here to get the CarX Street hack. We will type it in just like that, and boom, let us enter a username, select the platform that we are on just like that, and boom, you will select the free money and free gold in it. So now let us wait, let us load up nice and well, and then proceeding and going further. So do not close this page, as it will lead us to the verification. Continue to verification, and now click here. As of right now, we will make sure to complete this last step. So you will have two options to complete it. The first option will be to complete two apps by downloading them. Clicking here, going to the App Store, you will be redirected to it, or the Google Play Store. And then download two apps, do what it says from you in the description from here. So some apps will ask of you to download them, to open them up only, or to register on them, something simple like that. Or you will have a faster way by completing two questionnaires, where you answer some simple questions, and basically that is it, guys. That will be a faster way for you. And that is how you go ahead and get the CarX Street Mobile hack with both free gold and free money, which you can get in unlimited amounts, because you can always go back and repeat this over and over again. Smash that like button, that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down below if you have further questions. I will be there for you. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.